welcome you to In the Arena. My guest today is a special one. 1992 में गरहूद में एक विला में 5 बच्चों के साथ एक स्कूल शुरू किया और आज 33 साल बाद वो स्कूल फ्लरिश कर रहा है. Thousands of kids, thousands of learners have gone from here and have done remarkable things in their life. She's not only a founder but also a pioneer in what she's done. She's a Pakistani, she's a woman and I'm very excited for this interview today. आइए आपकी मुलाकात कराते हैं शाहिदा सलाम से. अस्सलामुअलैकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.
मुझे ये बताएं कि व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड दिस स्कूल तो आपके बच्चे तकरीबन स्कूलिंग लाइफ से मिडिल स्कूल तक तो आ गए थे.
I haven't done it myself. You know, it's a teamwork always. And I was very lucky. अल्लाह का बहुत करम है कि I had like-minded people who wanted to give back to society. Who were not in it for money.
कि क्या कोई आपने गैप देखा था that there is a gap, इस तरह का सिस्टम एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. What made you come up with the idea कि मैं स्कूल खोलूंगी?
नहीं, it's just that देखिए मेरे 4 बच्चे हैं और चारों यहीं पैदा हुए, यहीं पले बड़े. और जब 92 में 3 of my kids were still studying.
सही.
तो I decided कि home away from home environment create की जाए. So I wanted to give one good teacher to a child. One good teacher is enough for a lifetime.
But did you dream this big? Was this a dream?
No. I don't dream.
अच्छा, very interesting.
I don't dream. I just work.
Okay.
Work,
One day
work,
at a time.
work.
So उस वक्त आपने क्या सोचा था कि यही इस तरह से सेटअप होगा?
बस मैंने सोचा था यही मतलब 3 bedroom विला है. वो भी हम तो बिजनेसमैन थे नहीं.
सही. Right.
And this is माशाल्लाह 3rd campus.
माशाल्लाह. Okay, so बाकी
सबसे पहला गरहूद में 3 bedroom विला में था.
हाँ.
फिर उसके बाद बराबर वाला विला मिला.
अच्छा.
किस्मत से फिर एक और मिला, फिर एक इस तरफ मिला.
Oh wow.
एंड मिनिस्ट्री की तरफ से हमारे पे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर था टू टेक इट टू बियॉन्ड ग्रेड 6. था ही नहीं. हम अपने स्पोर्ट्स डे इधर उधर जाके किया करते थे. We came to know actually कि the ministry will award us land.
अच्छा, really this happens here? ये usual है या ये unusual
UAE
था?
is an amazing country.
तो ये आपको land award हुई?
Not this one, the first campus that we had to build, but there was a condition कि within a certain time आप उस पर building बना लेंगे.
अच्छा.
तो ऐसा काम करना चाहते थे कि जो बेहतरी हो बच्चों के लिए, फ्यूचर जनरेशन.
बट टू क्रिएट अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस मैग्नीट्यूड बहुत सारे पैसे चाहिए और यहाँ पे रेगुलेशंस इतनी ज़्यादा है कि पर बच्चा इतना स्क्वायर फीट जगह होनी चाहिए, इतने स्टाफ मेंबर्स होने चाहिए. तो वो कैसे आपने सारा कुछ किया?
कि ये जो है ना, ये स्कूल इज़ अ मिरेकल. इट्स अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम अल्लाह.
होता गया
बस होता गया. सबसे बड़ी बात ये, मेरी खुशकिस्मती, हमारी प्रिस्टीन की खुशकिस्मती ये है कि हमें लाइक माइंडेड लोग मिले who were in it to make a difference, who were in it to create something unique. Pristine का मतलब भी यही है ना, untouched by human hands. Unique.
आपका अपना एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड क्या रहा है?
As far as the memory can take me back, I wanted to be a doctor.
अच्छा.
And I wanted to give anything to become a doctor.
Right.
And I did get into medical college.
अच्छा.
I studied for 3 years.
And this was in Pakistan?
This was in Pakistan.
Okay.
I'm a Karachiite. Went to college, medical school in Lahore.
अच्छा.
Because that was a condition कि girls medical college हो. Schooling भी मेरी सारी सेंट जोसेफ्स में हुई है, तो that was also all girls.
Yeah.
तो बहुत freedom मिली being with only girls.
बिल्कुल. That's the flip side. A lot of times when people think कि आप खाली एक जेंडर वाले स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं तो आपको लगता है कि बड़ा कोई क्लास्ट्रोफोबिक माहौल है या कंजर्वेटिव हैं, बट रिसर्च टेल्स अस अदरवाइज कि गर्ल्स फ्लरिश और बॉयज थ्राइव बिकॉज सेम जेंडर का
Because we were
कंफर्ट
not bothered about
Yeah.
how
क्या
we
लग
look,
रहे हैं,
क्या
क्या
पहना है,
नहीं
क्या
है,
नहीं
yeah.
पहना है, खैर anyhow.
ओके
But I got married.
3 साल मेडिकल स्कूल गुजारने
3
के
साल
बाद
मेडिकल स्कूल के बाद शादी हो गई और before we came back from our honeymoon, my husband was a banker. Transfer orders were there.
टू कम टू द यूएई
We were transferred to Dubai, but then they placed us in Bahrain for 3 years.
अच्छा
And then we got transferred. He got
Oh, what
transferred.
a
I was a
heartbreak
housewife.
for you. क्या था आपके लिए इतना जिसको ख्वाब था डॉक्टर बनने का to leave your medical studies? How was that like?
You know, कभी किसी को मुकम्मल जहाँ नहीं मिलता, कहीं ज़मीन तो कहीं आसमान नहीं मिलता. Healthcare was not was nationalized. It was everything was free
Oh,
from the government.
Wow.
And
हमने
we
ये
did
वाला
not have
time
to
नहीं
pay
देखा.
anything.
हाँ.
तो आप जाते हैं and I never ever like to say कि भाई मेरा आगे कर दो. I always waited.
आपने वैसे सोचा नहीं कि यहाँ आके आप परसू करती अपनी पढ़ाई?
नहीं,
ये वाला?
I tried
You
to,
did,
but यहाँ medical college नहीं था उस वक्त.
Oh.
By the time medical college खुला है, because I've done 3 years, मेरा admission was lifetime हो सकता था.
सही.
I wanted to go back.
So this came at your life जब आपके चारों बच्चे किस किस स्टेज पे थे जब आपने ये खोला?
My youngest was in primary school.
Your youngest was in primary.
Primary school. The eldest had done her A levels. फिर ये एक opportunity आई because I had to do something.
Right.
बच्चे 3 पढ़ रहे थे. Bread and butter का भी हो जाता है. तो ये मेरे हस्बैंड ने कहा स्कूल खोल लो तुम एक.
अच्छा उनका थॉट था ये.
उनका thought था.
Really?
तो जब पहले तो मैं रेजिस्ट करती रही, फिर जब बहुत मतलब हुआ कि भाई अब ये करना है, देयर इज नो वे आउट, तो उसमें फिर जब करना था तो करना था.
बस कर लिया फिर.
तो जब ये करना था तो स्टडिंग दैट. मेडिकल कॉलेज छूट गया तो आई वेंट बैक to college. I studied at home and I went and I gave my BSc.
Wow.
तालीम कभी छूटती नहीं.
बिल्कुल,
It's
absolutely.
never too late to learn.
Yeah.
बस फिर
पर आपने ये नहीं सोचा कि मेरे अपने बच्चे तो बेनिफिट करेंगे नहीं इस सिस्टम से? वो तो निकल चुके हैं. I meet a lot of founders who started schools because they wanted a better system for their children. But आपने ये किया कि आपके अपने निकल चुके हैं and then you've done it. Very
इसलिए
interesting.
कि मैं सक्सेस को डिफाइन कुछ और तरीके से करती हूँ. मैं समझती हूँ आपने पैसा कमाया, दैट्स नॉट, आई मीन क्या है, व्हाट इज लाइफ, व्हाट यू गेटिंग आउट ऑफ इट, until and unless you've made a significance in at least one life.
इम्पैक्ट हो कुछ.
इम्पैक्ट हो, कुछ तो छोड़ के जाए ना. कुछ साथ तो नहीं जाएगा. सिर्फ शायद किसी की ज़िंदगी में किसको कोई फ़ायदा पहुंचा,
Yeah.
बेनिफिट उसने उठाया, शायद वो साथ जाएगा. अगर नेक नियति से किया तो ये जो स्कूल है ये बना है नेक नियति पे कि वापस देना है भाई बच्चों को. नहीं दे सकते जो फीस, कोई बात नहीं है.
33 साल हो गए हैं, आप अभी भी एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व्ड हैं?
नहीं, मैं अब नहीं हूँ.
ओके.
बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज बिलीव प्रोफेशनल्स टू डू देयर वर्क.
राइट.
मैंने कभी पढ़ाया नहीं.
ओके.
The only thing I used to do was I was first the administrator. पहले तो मैं हर चीज़ मैं ही करती. I was the administrator, then I became the principal.
ओके.
उसका भी एक एग्ज़ाम होता है, टेस्ट होता है from the Ministry of Education.
यूएई में स्कूल सेटअप करना, हाउ हैज़ बिन योर जर्नी? क्या लर्निंग्स रही? कितना आसान, कितना मुश्किल? क्योंकि हमें पता है कि रेगुलेशंस इतनी ज़्यादा है, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस इतनी ज़्यादा है, तो आपके लिए कैसा रहा?
देखिए यूएई जो है ना, ये ऐसा मुल्क है कि अगर इस तरह के 2-4 और मुल्क हो जाए, दुनिया बहुत बेहतर जगह बन जाएगी. मैं यहाँ पे 72 में आई थी.
वाओ.
उस वक्त यूएई को 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ था.
राइट.
फेडरेशन
बिल्कुल.
बन
हाँ.
और यकीन करें आप, मैं अपनी दुआ में अपने माँ बाप के लिए दुआ करती हूँ. तो मैं यहाँ के जो फादर ऑफ द नेशन हैं,
रियली.
ऑल द फादर, उनके लिए दुआ करती हूँ. वो क्या ये मुल्क बना के गए हैं।
आपने तो ये सारा ट्रांजिशन देखा है अपने
आप
सामने।
देखें, मोर देन 200 nationalities live here,
या
and this place has grown from a sleeping fishing village और desert में, और वो सब जो आते हैं वो अपने एक बेहतर फ्यूचर का ड्रीम लेकर आते हैं, एंड दे गो बैक एंड दे मेक इट हैपन,
या
और सुकून से रहते हैं। यहाँ हमें बहुत ज़्यादा गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से बहुत हेल्प मिलती है।
ओके।
दे गाइड अस इन द वे कि ये आपको करना है, यू जस्ट गो बाय द बुक।
एंड दैट्स अमेजिंग। दुबई में बहुत कम स्कूल सेटअप्स हैं जो कि फैमिली ओन्ड हैं। प्रिस्टीन इज़ वन ऑफ देम। सो आपके बेटे ने अब इस सिस्टम को आपके साथ ज्वाइन किया है कुछ साल
माशाल्लाह, वी आर वेरी लकी एक्चुअली। मेरे दो बेटे हैं, दे आर बोथ इन द स्कूल बट दे आर इन डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स।
अच्छा।
And Fahad has actually taken over from his dad because he's done his MBA. Now he's doing his another master's from Oxford.
कैसा रहा for your son to come in the system and take charge of things?
Oh, I'm very grateful.
Yeah.
My husband did not want it.
अच्छा, he was
He
against
said
the
इससे
idea?
को अपने
अपना करे
ना
कुछ।
कुछ करे. He was a banker, corporate banker. He was in Citibank. That was his first job. Then he joined Emirates Bank. The other son was also a banker.
तो ये किसका ब्रेन चाइल्ड था कि इनको इसमें आना चाहिए?
But ये था, फिर मैंने कहा कि listen, we are at the end of our road. Somebody has to be in
Take
this.
over.
So the first one to come was because he was very enthusiastic.
अच्छा।
Because he studied MBA.
Right.
He wanted to be an entrepreneurship. He said, that is what I've studied.
ओके। आपका क्या ड्रीम है? वेयर डू यू सी दिस गोइंग? कोई ऐसे ख्वाब हैं अभी इस अपने स्कूल सेटअप से लेकर?
देखिए, मैं चाहती हूँ इसको और बड़ा
Okay.
करें ताकि और ज़्यादा लोग इम्पैक्ट हो सकें। बाकी फ्यूचर तो जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन है वो ही बता सकती है। मेरे तो कभी कोई ड्रीम्स नहीं
हाँ, आपने कहा ड्रीम्स नहीं है।
मैं तो आई जस्ट वांटेड जो है उसको बढ़ाना, बस इसमें करना है।
Brilliant. Thank you so much.
Thank
What
you,
a
Asma.
pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
And एक ब्रेक लेते हैं। ब्रेक के बाद आपकी मुलाकात कराएंगे फहद से, who is the son of Shahida and is now very actively involved in the school. वेलकम बैक फ्रॉम द ब्रेक। हम आज मौजूद हैं प्रिस्टीन स्कूल में और इस वक्त शाहिदा के बेटे मेरे साथ हैं, फहद, हु इज़ नाउ अ डायरेक्टर एट द स्कूल। आइए उनसे ज़रा सी गपशप करते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फहद।
Walaikum salam, Asma. How are you?
Very well. Thank you for making yourself available.
No,
for this.
thank you for giving us this opportunity.
Our pleasure. So you came in the system कितने साल पहले?
So, 2008, so about what, 18 years?
18
Yeah.
years. And आप 12 साल के थे जब अम्मा ने ये स्कूल शुरू किया।
I was 12 years old, बिल्कुल 12 साल का था, and it was a very small setup at the time.
क्या conversation थी about अम्मा starting this school? Do you remember any of that?
I think we were all very excited that she's
Okay.
taking on this this venture. My sister, one of my older sisters at the time, she had also just graduated with her MBA,
अच्छा।
and so she was helping her set up at the time, get the ball moving.
Right.
तो वो दीवारें पेंट कर रही थी,
अच्छा।
and she was making flyers by hand,
Yeah.
coloring them out, and then I remember at times we used to actually just stand outside to see if any car would drive by, just to get people to
Human advertisement.
so I have those memories.
Okay.
I remember it being a very, very modest setup.
Right.
I think the kitchen, she had broken that up and made that into her office.
अच्छा।
Because it used to be a villa and it was repurposed for this for the school. Very, very modest infrastructure, and I remember we were very excited when the school got its first computer.
So you were 12, स्कूल शुरू हो गया। किस टाइम पे कहीं पे ये फ्लीटिंग थॉट बीच में आई? बिकॉज आप फिर पढ़ने चले गए,
जी, जी।
MBA किया और फिर आप अपने कॉर्पोरेट करियर में लग गए, तो कहीं फ्लीटिंग थॉट्स आती थी कि आई शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस? इतना बड़ा हो गया है, अम्मा अब्बा आर गेटिंग ओल्ड।
You know, I think that came much later. During the initial phases, it wasn't something that we ever thought that would get to this size and scale, honestly speaking.
Right.
तो उस वक्त इतना ज़्यादा इसके बारे में नहीं सोचा. I was very focused on my education and making a career for myself and being independent. But I think that because I also ended up doing an MBA, and shortly after that, I think that gave me the bug of wanting to do something on my own.
अच्छा.
And when I moved back to the UAE and I started working, I got to experience the school a little bit more, and I interacted a lot more with the people working there, with my parents, listening to their stories, and I started thinking, you know what, I think there's something I can do here.
Right.
And because it was growing at the time, they needed help. And I think अगर आप उनसे पूछें और मुझसे पूछें, we have completely different accounts on how this transpired that I actually ended up working
okay.
there. But I think that it ticked a lot of boxes. I wanted to do something on my own.
Right.
And I thought that this would be a fantastic platform where I could provide support to my parents and grow the organization.
It's also not the easiest to work as an adult with your parents.
It was very challenging. It was
It's not
quite
easy
challenging.
at all,
It's not.
right?
You're absolutely
Because
right.
I think parents also remember a version of you जो बहुत फर्क था.
True.
And then you've gone your way and you've become a different version.
True.
And to work together is not the easiest.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I had been away for about 8 years from the UAE, and almost then I worked for like 4-5 years. And then when I came back, different working environment, different bosses. Bosses दफ्तर में भी हैं, bosses घर पे भी हैं. And it was quite challenging.
Lovely. So आपके आने से क्या तब्दीली आई? What new thought did you bring in the system? या आगे जाते हुए, what is your aspiration? आपका क्या?
What I would like to see is, and what I believe is in continuous improvement.
Yeah, okay.
And I think that that's been my ethos throughout. And what I'm working towards is just improving the facilities, improving the access to education that we are able to provide, the quality of education that we're able to provide. I look at things like, okay, what are the universities that our students are going to? So I'm very proud to say we have students going to Stanford, NYU, LSE, LUMS, IBA, and then, you know, after university, where do they go to work? We have people working at Tesla, Siemens, Standard Chartered, various different organizations. So that gives me a lot of pride. Just recently, a couple of days ago, we just announced we got the A-level results for our school.
Yeah.
I don't know if my mother mentioned it or not, but
No.
27% of all the grades that we got were A stars. So my focus is always building upon that, taking it further, and what I can do to expand that.
Tell me about the changing world. I mean, अब दुनिया बदल गई है. ChatGPT is in classrooms. You know, it's AI. But I want to understand कि ये जो दुनिया इतनी बदल रही है, इसमें आपको लगता है कि traditional schools आगे आने वाले कुछ सालों में उतनी ही अहमियत रखेंगे या इनको कुछ reforms करने पड़ेंगे?
देखिए, in terms of the option for or the choice of schooling is dependent on the parent.
बिल्कुल.
So it depends on what it is that the parent is looking for at the end of the day. I can understand that you might be looking for something different, but then I speak to parents sometimes who say, you know, this is how we were taught and it worked for us.
Right.
So this is what we want. But things are changing. Things are, regardless, even in the parents' mindset and what parents are looking for is changing. You are a prime example of that. I remember when I was in schooling, as a matter of fact, even when I started working here, all of our classrooms had a desk in the front, they had a blackboard in the back, and they had these, rows and columns of tables and chairs in front. That's very slowly has changed. You know, the blackboard became a whiteboard, the whiteboard became an interactive whiteboard, that became a screen, the teacher's table went away, the tables for the students, that the infrastructure and the layout has changed. So being able to be inquisitive, I think that is something that schools need to instill more than actually impart the actual knowledge, because you have access to all this information on the tip of your fingers, right? So you can chat GPT, Google, whatever it is that you want to answer any question, but that desire to ask the question or want to know why is this happening and how is it happening I think that is where the schools need to work in terms of enabling that mindset.
And what are the core things? आपको लगता है कि Pristine पे आपकी कोई core values and like you mentioned curiosity or inclusiveness कि you really work hard in all levels के बच्चों के अंदर वो qualities develop हों?
Look, I think that what we look at is we look at differentiated learning as far as students are concerned. So it's not that there's one lesson being given to all the 20, 30 students which are in the classroom. Different students have different abilities. And I think that what we pride ourselves on is that we are able to differentiate between the students and to see if there's somebody who needs a little bit more support, then we can provide that additional support to them in the classroom. However, if there's somebody who is not feeling challenged enough and needs more of a challenge sitting inside the same classroom, we can do that as well. So I think that is part of the offering that we have. And again, like I said, that it's continuously evolving.
Awesome.
And maybe we're not going to be maybe the brick and mortar system may not be around 10, 15 years from now. Maybe there will be different bricks.
Yeah, because your mother said मैंने स्कूल इसलिए शुरू किया था क्योंकि वक्त बहुत बदल गया था. She said the times had changed, so I wanted to do something. And I think we're just standing at the brinks of the same thing, that the times are changing again, so we never know.
I think you're absolutely right. Absolutely right. I think the only constant is change.
Absolutely. So your mother said you're back in school?
I am, yes. So I guess lifelong learning. That's really what it is.
So what is it that you're studying now?
Well, I'm enrolled at a program at Oxford in the business school, so I'm doing a master's over there, and it's.
What gave you the thought to go back to school and do another master's? So उसका कोई focus फर्क है? पहले आपने MBA किया, अब जो कर रहे हैं.
It's a slightly different focus. To be honest with you, I just wanted an opportunity to think differently, maybe to have a different exposure, and really that's the thought process behind it.
Awesome. You want to say something to the parents listening to us? Any क्योंकि school founders की हमेशा parents के साथ कुछ ना कुछ agreements होते हैं, कुछ बड़े strong disagreements होते हैं. कुछ समझाना चाहते हैं from your position to the parents listening to us?
No, I think that if anybody is looking for a school in Dubai for their kids, they should come and see our facility. Definitely have a walkthrough, and they will be pleasantly surprised with the quality and the standards of education that we can offer at the price point that we're doing it.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Fahad.
Thank
you very much for watching the program. Please do give us your feedback. बताइएगा आपको क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या अच्छा नहीं लगा. तब तक नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम में आपसे इंशाल्लाह ताला मुलाकात होगी. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. खुदा हाफिज.